Evening traders, it's Simon at Curris Capital Markets with the very late review of Aussie dollar and pound yen. Now, I didn't forget about doing this this Sunday. I actually was ill with food poisoning, so I have been playing catch up, and unfortunately this is one of the last bits I wanted to do. So we're going to dive back into what we looked at last week and show you how it kind of materialised. So with Aussie dollar, first of all, in last week's review, I said to you, this will pull back down nicely round to this area here, or maybe to the 7335. And then if it pulls back down to here, making it another higher low here, it will accelerate up above the 75 level. Now, so far it's done that, and I'm going to assume this week it'll be more of a nice bullish candle here. And next week, or maybe into this week, most likely next week though, it'll come up, then come down, test this 75, test daily 50, and we'll take it long to 77. Now, the other thing I like about this is this monthly chart here. So what I see here now is just a nice triangle forming between 77 and the upper sloping trend line. So this actually looks, I quite like this now personally, to take it long to 77 for the month, play the triangle, then we're going to have a breakdown later on, most likely by the looks of it, towards the end of this year at some point. It would be quite nice to play. So like I said, for this week, I personally feel we'll go pop up there, and then I think we'll come down there, and we'll take, if we can get a nice buy signal there, take it there and get out around about 77 somewhere. That'd be quite nice there. Now, pound yen. Last week I wanted a break and retest of the daily 50. We never really got that. That's just a mess, that is, in all fairness. Although it did put in the lower high here of 144, the bearish engulfing candle didn't really give us much of a sell signal there as much. Bit difficult really if you want to look at it that way. But overall, we then started heading down towards 44, which is something I'm looking for. On the weekly chart, I was hoping for another bearish candle. That is bearish candle there, but this one here. But unfortunately, there's a bit of deceleration there. But it could just be the way it's just tested that 144 level. So I'm not too concerned about it too much. And like I said, again, this next week most likely we'll see the test of 140, because if you imagine, for example, see this bearish engulfing candle here. We get another one there coming down. That is now going to be Wednesday. Then you need the reversal Thursday, and then you're going to see the signal on Friday. So yeah, you're looking Friday, the absolute earliest, Monday after that. I also said about the US dollar being weak, and we would want to trade back up to this daily 50. We never made it nowhere near the daily 50, and we collapsed down before that, unfortunately. And again with the DXY, that just crept up a little bit, and then it is now starting making lower lows again. It is. So what I've kind of outlined through the whole of last week was 100% accurate to well, almost to 100% degree as well there. I know on Aussie dollar I gave a couple of scenarios that could happen there, but at the end of the day they were the ones that I felt were valid and what were most likely, if it makes sense. So that's what we're looking for this week. So I know it's only a little bit of the week left. We've got 3 days left of the trading week, and we will look to see what happens there. Okay guys, I hope you had a good weekend, a little bit better than my one, and I will speak to you soon. Take care.